So, when we say rituals and processes, we're in the day of AI, and has this gotten easier, better? Because I feel like we're doing two things properly, like your interest in vinyls. We're going back to the basics of customer conversations, right? And rituals and processes. There was nothing new since the 1950s or so in that. But we're living in a day and age where change is happening at a exponentially faster pace in the past. Our credibility, our trust factor is so much significantly in the toilet versus where it used to be. So our complexity of go to market in our ICP and how we're viewed in the market is nothing like it was even 10 years ago. So how do these rituals and processes overcome that hurdle that add all those added complexities in what we have to do to be successful today?
I think you mentioned something that I totally agree with the challenge behind that, but I don't think that the ritual and processes need to overcome. I think they need to coexist. They need to work together. Because if we think about it, I'll use this example that I have internally, right? The rituals for us is making sure that we are talking enough between each other in a structured manner about the topics that we need to discuss on a weekly basis, monthly basis, annual basis. Budgeting is every 3 to 6 months, but pipeline reviews, we do it every week. And I think AI has really helped us cut out the noise or the little tasks we had around that topic and allow us to focus on the human part, which is talking to people, getting feedback, putting our brains to think. But then we have an AI tool that's going to keep notes and then already create the tasks for us in Asana, for example, so we can follow up. It's going to help us remind that we need to cover those tasks. AI is helping us understand which deals do we really need to talk about this week because of the activity side and the importance and the due dates. So it's helping us be more effective if we do it right, if we're using it to support our human nature. And I think on the buyer's journey, which is a very interesting question, and I went through that myself because I changed cars a month ago. And the process that I did was, at least for me, I had a car in mind and I wanted to understand if that car was good or not. I didn't rely on AI for that. I went to community. I went to YouTube, I went to Reddit, and I wanted to see real people talking about their experience with the car that I wanted to buy. When I decided that, okay, I like this car, I used AI to help me find the best deal, to find the best vendor. And that was really helpful, but I didn't trust AI to help me decide which car that I wanted or if that car was the right one for me. So I think that combination of community, of learning that other humans trust that product, I think that's not going to be replaced. But AI can help you understand what is the best deal that I can get or how to compare that solution with others. But the human side of the community of product evaluation, of knowledge sharing, I think that still plays a big role on the buyer's journey from a car to a B2B, B2C tech solution.